Hello everyone. The Web 2.0 tool I'll be talking to you about today is MyBrainShark. And this is an amazing tool that works a little bit like PowerPoint, but with a video and a voice features. And it's great for presentations. So we first go here to mybrainshark.com, and you need to set up a login with a username and a password. And once you are in, you can upload content, including video, images, any type of document like a PowerPoint presentation that you have already made, a document like a Word document that you have already prepared. You can upload a video and record your voice on top of the video. You can make a photo album and also record audio to narrate and add audio to the pictures. And you can produce your own podcast here that you can later upload and share. So right now what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload a document that I made for the 5 senses lesson. And here you can add a little bit of a description. This is for a kindergarten class. And you can add categories. So in this case, I'm just going to put education and training. And the tags, and this is great because it works a little bit like the Delicious website, where you can add tags to locate your presentations easier. So in this case, I'm going to put 5 senses, kindergarten, infographic, and that's it. And the way you have to put a comma after each tag, and it will automatically separate them. And then you click on next. And then after you have uploaded your content, you can choose which way you will be recording your audio. You can use a microphone, or you can use do it by phone. And if you do it by phone, you have to dial this number over here and enter your presentation code. And there are certain features if you're doing it through audio. For example, you have to press #5 to you have to press pound to start recording, and then to go to a specific slide, you have to press #4 or #6, meaning going up or down, and you can record audio to a very specific slide. And once you have finished recording your audio, you can press #3 to listen to slides recorded audio. But all those codes are in the website once you choose going to the presentation to uploading your audio through the phone. In this case, I'm just going to do it using a microphone, in which you could just click here, and what will happen is it's going to ask you if you will allow. It's telling you to click on allow when you see this message, in order for you to allow that. So I'm not going to do that because I'm using a microphone right now to record this screen recording, but I'm going to choose the presentation, which is our 5 senses, and it's going to be right here. So once you're done recording the audio, you click on End Recording Session. And now you will see your presentation come up right here, as well as the audio that you recorded. In this case, well, I don't have any audio really recorded, but I could play it, and the audio would play as I am showing the children this recording. What I like is that, for example, for a kindergarten grade level, this is very useful, since you don't have they don't have to do a lot of reading. You can explain verbally through the audio recording what each image is about. So once you're done recording the audio, you can replay, you can edit the presentation, you can add slides. This whole presentation right now, this whole Word document will act like one slide in a PowerPoint presentation. For example, I could add slides, and I could add a video slide, or I could add a URL slide, or a photo slide. I could add as many slides as I wanted with different type of content, and I could record audio using the same process that I just showed you. And once you're done with recording your audio and editing, adding as many pages with as many types of documents as you would like, you can either share it, and to share it, one of the very important things that we need to do is to make it active. If it's not made active, other viewers outside of your own page won't be able to see it. So it's very important that we make it active. And once you make it active, you can share. You can choose to share it via email. And in this case, for example, I'm just going to send it to myself. And the message here, and just click on send. You can also embed your presentation. So if you're going to link it, it will give you here the links that you need to copy and paste in order to share it, in an embedded way. So another great feature of this tool is that it allows you to view the details here in the viewing reports tab of the viewing trends of your presentation. So for example, if you have sent these to some of the students to view, you can see here how many students have viewed this specific presentation. You can see exactly the number of views, the percentage viewed, and the location. Now the location is pretty generic. It's more like it shows you like in a map where, if it was which country where people at when they viewed it. It's not very specific. It does have more advanced tools for tracking specific views, and you can actually add a code to each email address of each one of your students, so you can see exactly which student has viewed the presentation and when. You can also change the setting here at all time. You can adjust it to year to date or month to date. But I find this tool really useful to see what students are actually viewing at home. I think this is an amazing tool for flipping the classroom, since you can prepare your lessons here. You can add so many different types of documents, like PowerPoints within these PowerPoint type of setting. You can add Word documents. You can add movies. You can add, I mean, video. You can add images. You can add pretty much anything you want, and you can record audio on top of that. So this, I think, it's an ideal setting for flipping classroom. You know, using it for flipping the classroom. So down here, you can use this information to know who is watching what and how effective, how engaged students really are. Another great feature of this tool is that you can, within this lesson, you can make it interactive and engage students in participating. So you can add a question. And here I'm just going to write which sense helps me know is hot. So which sense helps me know when something is hot or cold? So here I'm going to put sense of taste, sense of smell, and then of touch. I'm going to save. So here you can actually see in the questions report, you can see the answers that people have been answering in the poll. That data would be displayed here. So as you can see, this is an amazing tool, and I think it's a great opportunity to really start using this kind of technology to flip the classroom. I thought this was really adequate for the flipped classroom, you know, for implementing those ideas. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and thank you very much. Bye.